Yo, it's Sierra with WTI. And I am an absolute sushi fanatic, and now I can make my own sushi dishes with this rice. The grains are so perfectly tiny and they cook so well, giving you fluffy, fresh rice with whatever device you're using to make them, whether it be a rice cooker or a pot. I've cooked it in the microwave before and it still turns out so light and fluffy. It works so well with dishes like poke bowls or stir fries, curries, and it's so sticky. The grains hold together so well. They're so malleable, and look how perfect they pop out here. Boom, they stay together and they are perfect for onigiri. I mean, the bag is also huge, so it feels like I am never running out of rice, which is a good thing because I eat rice a lot. It's also got the sticky resealable tape, so you can just fold it over on itself, tape it there, and it stays fresh. And that's just my point of view.